Hello and welcome to SN Gate Academy. So students, the person sharing screen with me is Mr. M. Vijaya Sai, who has scored All India rank 66 in Gate 2023 PI branch. So he is with us and he will be sharing with us many tips, many tricks, how you can score better in your next upcoming exams. So first of all, Vijaya, welcome here, and I congratulate you for your phenomenal success. You have achieved All India rank 66 in GATE 2023. How is it feel to have under All India rank under 100? Have you ever expected this particular result from your side?
Thank you, sir, for your kind words, and I was thankful for your institution also. I need to want to be below 100 because my mechanical paper was went wrong due to some issues during the examination for GATE 23. So I need to be in. I have second paper option, so I was worked out and I made it, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. So you have got, I think, total marks you have got is 72, right, in PI branch. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vijay, just tell our users your engineering journey from when it all started, how many times you have already attempted GATE, and were you a bright student during your engineering days, or you just improved it after engineering? If you can let us know.
Means it was I was basically a lateral entry student into the engineering, sir. So in 2018, I have joined my college. It was known as Vasireddy Venkatadri Institute of Technology, sir, in Guntur. And I completed my BTech in 21 August, sir, in 2021 August. So means if you are asking about the GATE, I was not a bright student. Why means I didn't study mathematics during my BTech, sir. I have learned up to differential equations in my diploma only, and there were some advanced topics there in GATE mechanical paper, sir, in mathematical portion like calculus, advanced calculus, that is multiple integrals and all these things, and complex variables. So I may not say I was a bright student, but I was an average student as it comes to the GATE, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful. So this is a great teaching for all the students who want to appear for GATE exam. It that doesn't need for you to be a bright student. You can be an average student and you can have a good success. I was looking at your record, Vijaya. In the last 2 years, I think in GATE 2021 and 22, you didn't perform as per the as per mark. And if you
Yes,
can
sir.
your that journey, how much rank you got in 21, 22, and what have you done to improve that particular rank in this year?
In 21, what happens was my concepts are, I was confused with my concepts, sir, when I was appeared in the GATE examination in GATE 21, and I have secured around 27 marks, and I didn't qualify GATE 21 conducted by IIT Bombay, sir. In 22, I start learning from the zero level, sir, for GATE 22. And I have learned the concepts, but I didn't do the revision and I didn't do much full length test series. Sir. I have attempted only, I think, only 2 test series, that too full length mark test series, sir. When it comes to the GATE 23, I have attempted around 20 full length mock tests, sir. I don't say I was getting 90 or 80, but I was getting only 60 to 62 marks on an average during the full length mock test, sir, which are actually less than my actual GATE marks, sir.
Right.
So I would say our test series marks are low only, and because the institutes made it on tougher side, we don't know what will happen.
What would be your suggestion, Vijay Sai, for the students who are already appearing GATE 2024 and who are final year or pre-final year student? That means they are having their university preparation, and along with that, they have to prepare for GATE. So, any suggestion you want to give them? The mistakes which you made during your time, which you don't want any other to repeat?
Yeah, the first thing I can say was first you need to cover, they need to cover the concepts clearly, sir. If they confuse at any concept, they will do lot of blunders during the examination, sir. This was happening during my GATE 21. So if your concepts are clear, you almost succeeded 30%, sir, in GATE examination. So the concept should be clear, and you need to connect from one subject to another subject, sir, because in mechanical engineering or PA, most of the subjects are interrelated, sir. We can just, machine design was just extension of the strength of material, and the theory of machine was just extension of the engineering mechanics, sir. And we are using the strength of material concepts in the metal forming and machining, sir. So they are able to connect the concept from one subject to another subject, sir. And the third one should be the clarity and the consistency, sir. We need to be consistent during this preparation, sir. Basically, GATE was not a race, sir. It was a marathon. We need to run for until we reach our goal, sir.
Right.
So that thing I can say, sir.
Wonderful. And your background speaks a lot about you. That you were, how consistent you were. The books we can see in the background. So the background tells a lot about the student. That's wonderful. Okay, great. Any tip for the dropper you want to give for all those who wants to improve their rank, or they have already secured under 1,000 or under 2,000 rank, and they want to secure all India rank under 100? If you want to address them.
For droppers, I could say if their concepts are clear, sir. I followed this thing during my GATE 23, sir. What I will do means, on Monday, every first unit I was covering, means FM first unit, thermodynamics first unit, and all the subjects we need to cover the first unit, sir. Up to whatever the level you have, you will cover up to that level. Means if you can cover only half of the portion, you cover that half of the portion. In next day, you go for the second unit of all the subjects, and third day, third unit for all the subjects. So when you appear for the test series also, it was very helpful. So when the questions comes randomly from different subjects, you will be able to recollect and you will be solved very fluently, sir. This helps me a lot, sir. And for revision, this will work out more, sir, as compared to go for single subject revision n times. We can club all the subjects and we can go in one go, sir. So we can, what happens during this means our brain will tune according to the GATE exam also, sir, because we didn't know from where the question will come. So we can go in a zigzag manner, it will give you the better results, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Vijay Sai, you have subscribed the test series and some of the courses of SN GATE Academy, some subjects from SN GATE Academy you have studied. And also you are a regular student and you attend the live sessions regularly. What I see in the YouTube, you attend those sessions regularly. However, less number of students are there, but you are one of them. So that is a wonderful thing. So how was your experience with SN GATE Academy learning? If you can share with our users.
Yeah, in the starting also I have told you, no, sir, I was very poor at the mathematics. In PA, I have scored around, out of 30 marks, I have scored around 20 marks only. Those 20 marks are because of your SN GATE Academy only. The faculty are such that they will simplify as much as possible, sir. So the mathematics, and I have took the courses of mathematics and aptitude and vibrations and some thermal portions, sir. So it was very much helpful, and strength of materials also, sir. I was covering it on the YouTube. So it was very much helpful. And when it comes to the test series also very good, and especially I need to tell about the analysis. Basically, I have seen many test series and I have wrote many test series. The portions that you have covered, the way you have analyzed was very good, sir. Means you have given the concept and the topic and the subject where you are losing marks. You will easily know about the where you are doing more mistakes. So this will help more, sir.
Wonderful, great. What are your future plans, Vijaya Sai, if you want to share?
I was looking for thermal in IITs and means PA paper was allowed in 3 IITs, sir. So I was looking for thermal and I was preparing for the NEET interview, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, great. So thank you so much, Vijaya, for joining us, and I wish you all the very, very best for all the future endeavors. I wish that you get selected in the NEET, which is actually your dream. And I would like that you stay connected with us, with our students, and guide them continuously, not continuously, but whenever you get time, we can have some sessions more, and you can interact with our students directly. And I want you to guide them also for their future exams. So thank you so much, Vijay Sai, for joining us. And again, I wish you all the very, very best for all your future endeavors. Thank you for joining. All the best.
Thank you, sir.